Hey, welcome. Look at this. We're going to do another episode of the Griddle cooking. We are going to do smash burgers. That's right. You heard it right. Smash burgers. And I got a little surprise for you. Also going to do grilled on the cob. Look at that. Got these from Kroger. It's going to be our side item today. Look at that. It's going to be exciting. Here we go.
Yay!
All right, we'll get this thing started. We're going to make this grill up, get it going, so we can get it done in one strike. Two strikes, there we go. Let it heat up 15 minutes, and we'll go ahead and start putting everything on right there. Yeah, let it heat up. There. Everything ready? Got my onions, our towel, onions, salt, pepper, parchment paper for the smash burgers. Got my board out here. Got my thermometer, infrared. That's where I keep my spatulas. Over there, got my dough cutter. Look at that. Got that going on too. So we're good to go. Wait, about 15 minutes. Let it heat up. All right, we'll go ahead. Let's heat it up. So the temp is. Let's check our temp. I'm gonna come on this side and do it. 453 in the middle. Man, that's 460. 460. Put it on low. It was on high, then I put it on low. Here. All right. Good going. So we're looking at 450. What do we do? Clean it up real quick. Pull it down just a touch. It ain't dirty, but it's sitting out here for about an hour. And clean it up. This has been sitting outside. Quick clean. All right, good to go. Evaporate a little bit. Put a little bit of oil down. Little onions. Onions on for our smash burgers. Get them out. Kind of windy, a little windy out here. Here we go. Touch it up with just a little bit of salt and pepper. It's a long way. And there you have it. Let's check out that corn on the cob. Look at that. Oh yeah. Coming along. Won't take long. We're gonna go ahead and we're gonna put these onions. They're sauteing. They're looking good. Look at that. It's got a little caramelization on there. It was windy. Pretty sure you're gonna feel it here in the audio, that wind. So here we go with the wind. You really cut thin. You gotta cook it down too much. See what our tip is. Yeah, 343. Do 200. 214. I turn it up just a little bit. All right, I'm gonna butter up this grill for the hamburger buns. Got 4. Got 6 burgers, but I'm gonna just do 4 buns because I'm gonna myself will probably make a double burger. Yeah. Toast these buns. Wife, she only eats one. let those buns toasted a little bit, and I'm gonna flip these again real quick. Kind of do it a little different angle this time because I'm tired of getting my arm caught up in the video over here. I mean, who wants to watch somebody's arm? I don't. It aggravates me when I edit it. It's aggravating. I mean, nobody's gonna watch these videos with my arm in the way, so we're gonna do it this way. Got plenty of room. I'm all right. I'm good. These are almost done. Let's check on the corn. I had to add a veggie burger and I had to add some chicken. Son wanted his chicken, so he made his own seasoning. I don't know, that's like everything bagels on that chicken. He likes that stuff. That's gross to me, but if that's what he likes, that's what he likes. And I don't know what he put. Everything bagels, I think it's a little pepper, I think some garlic powder or something. I don't even know. He makes his own. I let him do his own. He likes it that way. Salt and pepper on that little veggie burger. That's it. Let's see. Nope, not quite. This thing ain't really getting toasted. These are about done. Ooh, it's hot. No, it's gonna get them toasted. I don't like to have. I like it like that. A little bit of brown. These smash burgers are gonna go quick. It ain't done. Just a little salt and pepper on them. A little sauteed onions. Try one of those onions. See what it tastes like. It's good. Really good. Go ahead and pull them. Yeah. Put it in this bowl. Yep, lost some of it. What usually happens. All right, went ahead and pulled those onions off. Let's go ahead. These things should be good to go. There we go, my arm again. Let's check them. Oh yeah, they're good. All right, got our smash burgers. Put a little oil down. Got 6 of them in my fancy plate. What do you think about my fancy plate? Plastic fancy plate. Clean this off real quick. Put a little oil down. A little salt and pepper on them. Ain't much in there. A little salt and pepper. Put these face down. This is gonna be a quick video. It ain't gonna be a big video, a long video. But what you want to do is take your parchment paper in a little room, come over here, make sure my arm ain't in the video again. This one. Smash them. They gotta be pretty. That's not what it's all about. Not all about no prettiness. Smash them down real good. Best thing to use is parchment paper. Maybe one day I'll invest in a might have to wait. Here, we'll wait. Take these off. I just don't have the room. My bad. Oh. Look there. Cook those. The holes in them, that's fine. It's fine if you got holes in them. They ain't perfect. These are not supposed to be beautiful looking hamburgers. They're smash burgers. Smashed down really thin. That's what it's all about right there, buddy. I think they're gonna be good. I'm gonna enjoy them. I've never done them before, but I've had them before. So this is my first time making them. Here's what we're gonna do. A little salt and pepper. A little salt and pepper. Maybe now I got enough salt and pepper. Maybe we'll get some more. And there we go. We'll check back in a few minutes. All right, about 1 to 3 minutes. Good to go. Best thing to use is dough scraper.
My name is Angry Deborah, and I have come to film.
Look there. That's my wife. You heard my wife in the background? She wants to be a YouTube star. Ah, look at that. 1 to 2 minutes per side. Flip them over. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful. See how they start to turn brown a little bit? We flip them. It's like a hamburger cut in half.
Looks good.
We're going to put some cheese on here. Good old American cheese. That's how we're going to use today. Good old American cheese. Take one. There's 2. And you know the rest of the count. There we go. So now you put some onions on there. Alright, let's put some of these onions on there. On top, I'll do some onions on top. Looks good to me. Good. Like onions. Onions make everything taste better. And there we go, it's ready. Ooh, it's hot. Noise of a neighbor cutting grass over there across the street. The way it is. Welcome to America. That right there is the classic American smash burger. Look at there. Delicious. Check out that corn. I think it's that corn on the cob. Oh yeah, it's ready. It's done. It's hard to hold the camera and do this at the same time. Yeah, I'm gonna just take it off. Everything's ready. Chicken looking really good. Flip it back over. Should be about ready. The burger needs to be flipped. About ready too. Everything's ready. Sorry about my steadiness on the hand. I'm holding this with my hand. It's hard to do. One hand and the other hand and try to hold the camera. It's hard unless you got something. Unless you got my phone holder, and I don't have my phone holder. So here we go. There we go. We'll pull the corn. Everything's good. Went ahead and put those 2 other burgers on. Last 2 burgers. Salted. Smashed. Salted. Wait about 1.5 minutes. 2 minutes. Like 2 minutes. 2 to 3 minutes. Something like that. And we'll flip them. Pretty thin burgers. All right, let's go and flip these. Yeah, my neighbor's having problems over there with his lawnmower. Probably got some bad gas in the mower. Well, bad spark plug one. Let's stay started. Let's see if we can get this thing rolling. Hang on, I'm coming. Finger, yours is ready. Look at that. Come on, pretty easy. Look. Look at there. Beautiful burgers, beautiful burgers. Last piece of cheese, I'm gonna leave that one with no cheese. Do something a little different here with all these onions. I'll get in there. There we go. Do it like this. Make that cheese on there. Look at that. It's gonna be good, melty. Good to go. So there. Pull them off. We're good to go. All right, that does it there. We're done. These things are good to go. Pull them off the grill. I'm gonna put the buns on these. Put them on a plate. Flour. That's it for that. Clean it up. That's how we're going to end this video. You know what it's time for? We got to try that smash burger. Look at that. Ooh, look at that. Ooh. Goodness. Thin burgers. It take no time. It didn't take hardly any time at all. It's going to be a small video. So yeah, there you go. Here comes the good part right here. We're going to try this thing. You ready? Here we go. Yeah, that's good. Really, really good. So there you go. Man, that's good. Wow. Drop some onion. Oh well. Look at that. There you go. There's our video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe. Hit that notification bell, please, so you'll know when our next video comes out. All my videos come out. So please look at my description below. I am an Amazon affiliate. It's going to be in the description below. Everything. Thank you for watching. Happy Memorial Day weekend. Have a good night, good evening. Thank you.